Hello everyone, good morning. Dear students, today we are organizing a panel discussion. As you know, panel discussion is a live discussion. This is a conference among a team. Okay, and here we are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is the craze of social media among youth. Dear students, this is a very great day, and today we are going to learn something. We will listen the opinions of the panelists. So at first I would like to introduce my panelists. First one is Sidra Khan, and second Ayushi Chauhan, Rasmi, Kritagya, Satvik Tripathi, Shreyans, Jaya, Pragati and Kashish. They are all the students of class 10th, and here they are going to present their views on social media. So at first I would like to say about social media. It plays a very important role in the life of any person, not only the life of the students, but also for every member, every person of the society. Okay, as you have seen at the time of lockdown. Okay, so at first I would like to invite Sidra Khan. She is going to tell us something about social media.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sidra Khan. I'm from class 10th. So I'm here for sharing my views on a topic that is related to social media. Well, as you all know, I'm not going to tell you about what is social media, because you all are using it in certain ways. Maybe you don't know it, maybe you are not aware of it, but you all are using it. So, you know, social media can be quite addictive. You all are the patients, I guess. You all are addictive to social media somehow. For the case like students, some students like me, like all of you, maybe they can use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or they can use YouTube for studying. But how many of you really use something that is related to study at internet all the time? Anyone who use? So Aleem only use internet for studying. Well, I must say you are very impressive. But for me, I don't use it for studies only. I'm a kind of girl or a student who use it to study, but obviously I have distractions. Like all of you, some of you using Instagram, Facebook more than you study. See, social media is a good thing until you are using it too much. Social media can not, obviously we are all student, but other than student life, other people like businessmen or like my mother, like your mother, maybe, not everyone, like your father, brother, who's not studying, who's graduated maybe or in the college, they are using it not for studies but for other purpose. So let me give you something that is more relatable to you all. For a businessman, social media is used for, a businessman is not using social media for studies, obviously, because maybe he's not literate or something, but he's using social media maybe more than us, because social media is a very cheap and effective and user-friendly application to grow their business. How many of you seen the shops on Instagram? No one? One. So there's a shopping feature on Instagram, and you always see ads pop up in between your videos or in Facebook. They are advertising something free of cost. They're not taking any extra charge. This is the most important and beneficial thing for a businessman. Do you know you can earn money by using social media? Well, obviously you all have heard about TikTok. Now it's banned in India, but it wasn't before. So in America, TikTok isn't banned. So there's a girl named Charlie D'Amelio. She has the most followers on TikTok, and she earns $10,000 per video. Satvik, can you tell me what $10,000 in INR?
It is approx 7 lakh rupees.
So can you imagine 7 lakh rupees just for posting a video? It is a very effective and easy way to earn money also. But you can lose everything if you means if someone hacked your account, if someone hacked your privacy, he can do what he want or she want. There is no guarantee on social media. You can't say I am secure. There is no such thing that is available on social media platform. So conclusion, or in the end, I want to say that everything, you all know, every aspect have good and evil. It's not something that you're listening for the first time. You know it since the day you were born. You know something that is good and you know it's something bad. So I just want to tell you, or in my opinion, social media isn't a good or bad thing. It's just a material or a medium which gives us choice how we want to use it. For example, Instagram don't talk to you. Instagram doesn't say you that use me for 4 hours, for 5 hours, all the night. Instagram doesn't tell you. Or YouTube isn't attracting you or sticking you with him or her. I don't know what its gender. But it's giving you choice. It's your own choice what you want to choose. They're not saying that please come to me. You have an option. See, it's not that it's very addictive that you can't stop it. I use it every day. But if I don't want to, I won't. It's not something that I can't control by myself. Maybe I have more determination than you. But you also can. So it is a good thing for me. Thank you. Hope you'll have a good day.
Okay. Next, Satvik Tripathi, you are going to tell us something about social media. Okay.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Satvik Tripathi from class 10th A. First, I would like to thank to my class teacher, Mr. Rampujan Tiwari sir, who gave me this opportunity to come here and tell my opinion about craze of social media among youth. As you all sitting here are students and I am also a student, so I would like to tell you a few points which will tell us that what are the benefits of social networking sites for us students. The first benefit for students due to social networking site is that today learning has gone beyond the classroom. Distance learning is promoted by all the e-learning website creators rather than classroom learning. There are many apps like YouTube which have educational content in them. For example, if we talk about YouTube, there are many educational channels which provide us notes, not only notes but also doubt clearing sessions, quizzes, and regular or live classes. So it is beneficial for the students to take the knowledge or educational content from those channels. Second benefit because of social media sites for students is that students can share their learnings, doubts, and study materials with each other or their teachers using these social networking sites such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. For example, if we talk about the situation which was about 3 or 4 months ago when school was closed, lockdown was imposed, everything was stopped. Our learning did not stop at that time. Because at that time, our school group, which was created on WhatsApp, came to be as a boon for our study. We shared the images of our doubts, homework given by our teachers in that group, and our teachers gave us the suggestions in them. The third benefit from social media is that I have seen many students who say that what will happen when I will express myself in front of other people, what others will say. For these types of students, social media is the best platform to express themselves. They can explore their talents and express them by posting videos, photos, images of their talents, vlogging, individual articles, etc. So, social media can be very beneficial for the students. Thank you.
Okay, next Rayans.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to tell us something about social media?
Yes,
and
sir.
how you can say that this is a craze
Yes, sir.
for the youngsters?
First of all, very good morning to all of you and respected teachers. Teacher, Mr. RP sir, I am here. My name is Chan Sastogi, and I am here to express my views on social media or the craze of social media among youth. I think we all know what is social media, as we are familiar to it. We all are using social media approx 1 to 2 hours in a day. Let me tell what is social media if someone don't know. Social media is the website or an application where we share our views or contact to another person present in any part of the world. Nowadays, everyone is using social media. It has gained much popularity among old peoples, old, poor, rich, young, no matter what. All of them are using social media. The craze has expanded all over the world, worldwidely, very rapidly. Because of that, there are many points that come forward because it has gained many popularities. As the coin have two faces, similarly, social media also have two faces. One, it have positive points, another, it have negative points. Let me start from former first, positive points. I think it has the many much advantages of the social media. Everyone is using social media, and social media converted the whole world into a global village where everyone interact with each other present in any part of the world. They can chat, they can call, they can video conference to other by using WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. All these is done due to the social media. For many young businessmen who want to start their businesses, social media is the best platform for them, as they can advertise and expand their businesses over these social medias. For the companies, social media is also an advertising platform where they advertise to their product and gain the huge profit. Similarly, in politics, it plays an important role as the political leaders attract the youth or the voters towards themselves. Many peoples or the youth want to become famous or to gain popularity. They upload photos and videos to gain popularities. I think you all know the name of Carrie Minati and Bhuvan Bam. They are the YouTubers, and in past time no one knows them. But now they are the most famous influencer of India. Just because of social media. Social media have many impacts on the students' life also, as there are many educational contents for students in social media. As Satvik told, how it helps in education or gaining knowledge. In the Corona time, there is the only medium for gaining studies is social media. Our school also came forward in social media and helped the student to gain the knowledge. In YouTube, there are many channels or coachings who provide the many type of educational content, the videos or homework, many things. Let me talk about the disadvantages. As we know, everything in the world have advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, social media also have. When we start using anything in excessive manner, it has become harmful for us. Similarly, social media gets. As we use social media all over the day and many of the persons get addicted to it. We all spend our whole time, our very precious time in social media. We can study, we can play, we can do exercises in that time, but no. We are just wasting our time on social media because of the craze. Many people don't live or spend their time without using social media. They, in every day, they...
Are you also wasting your time?
Yes, sir.
Media?
In some way, I am also wasting my time because I am quite addicted to it, as I spend approx 3 to 4 hours. And that's a drawback for me and for my studies also.
Okay.
and there are many people who have hate against them or any other person. They use social media for bull them or blackmail them. We know the cyberbullying. Every people who don't want to make see anyone famous or jealous from someone, they use social media to make them lower or to depress them. At the last, I just want to say that anything in the world have advantages and disadvantages. It's depend upon us how we are using it. If we are using it good way, then our future will be bright. And if we are using in another way or bad way, I don't say anything about them, what they have going to do. Thank you.
Okay, Shreyans. Next, Jaya Sakir. Tell the audience about your opinions.
Okay, sir. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friend. This is Zaya Shakir from class 10th. I'm here to represent my view on craze of social media among youth. Social media has ingrained our society in such a way that it is virtually impossible for a person to take it seriously if they are using any of the social media platform. As the popularity of social media spreads all over the world, it has gained mixed opinion about how it affects the youth. So how does it affect the youth? To answer this, we have to look at both positive and negative sides. So starting with the former first, social media has reduced our world to a global village where we can interact with each other just by a click of button. Through these interactions, young people can access information, knowledge, and have a wide variety of opportunities waiting for them out. Popular young people can be hired as a brand ambassador for specific companies. Companies also started advertising online, selling and buying of goods and services, answering queries, etc. is all through the social media. But on the flip side, it is an unregulated forum which has no morals, no rules to abide to young. Too much social media may lead to the addiction. This is a generation where you can see people sitting next to each other and staring at their phone rather than having a face-to-face interaction. The first thing that they do after waking up is checking their phones, and the last thing before going to bed is checking their updates. People are obsessed with the social media. They are obsessed with the number of likes and comments they get on daily basis. They work tirelessly in clicking photos, buying outfits, visiting exotic places, and trying new meals just to post it on social media. When we are talking about crimes on social media, cyberbullying just comes to our mind, where real ones are humiliated and insulted by the fake ones. Outside watcher may think that they are just having fun, but the truth is that one who is being humiliated and insulted is being affected a lot. To conclude this, one before using social media have to wait for both positive and negative sides. As Albert Einstein said, I fear the day when the technology will surpass the human interaction and the world will have full of idiots. Social media can be used to know whatever is happening around the world, but the thing is that we have to use in a fair way or we may get trapped. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, Pragati.
Good day, respected teacher and all my fellow friends. I am practicing from 10th standard, now here to talk about the craze of social media among youth. Social media. Social media is interactive, digitally mediated technologies that facilitates the creation or sharing of information, ideas, and other forms of expression. It is a website and application that enables users to share and create content or to participate in social networking. As the popularity of social media spread all over the world, it has got mixed opinions of how it affects the youth. So how does it affect the youth? As we all know, everything has come with its own negative and positive sides, same as social media also have. So starting with the positive sides, first one is connectivity. People from anywhere can connect with anyone with the help of social media. The next one is social media has a lot of benefits for the students and teachers as well. The main advantage of social media is that you can update yourself from the latest happenings around in the world. Social media also create awareness and innovate the way the people live. Now moving to some disadvantages. The personal data and privacy can easily be hacked. Social media can easily ruin someone's reputation just by creating a false story. Too much use of social media can also have the negative impact on the health. Too much social media use can also have the negative impact on the health. this is a generation where you see people sitting next to each other and staring at their mobile phones rather than having face-to-face interaction. The first thing after they wake up they do is checking their mobile phones, and the last thing before they going to bed they do is checking the updates. Young people are also obsessed with the social media. They are obsessed with the number of likes and comments they get on a daily basis.
Yeah, Pragati, you are right. Next, Kassis.
Good morning,
Is going
respect.
to tell us about the uses and misuses of social media.
Yes, sir. Good morning, respected teacher and all my dear friends. This is Kashish Aswal from class 10th. Today I am here to express my views on craze of social media among youths. I am very thankful to my subject teacher RP sir that he gave me a golden opportunity to express my views on this topic. As we know, social media is an online platform where we can share our ideas, suggestions, videos, pictures, etc. And we can use it in our day-to-day life. Now, it becomes an integral part of our life. Social media has both positive and negative impact. Firstly, I want to mention the positive impact. The main advantage of using social media is for connectivity and for communication. We understood its importance in corona period when we are not able to step out from our house, we are not able to meet our friends, relatives and family. At that time, this platform put up the support and we are able to connect with our friends. Now, social media has lot of benefits in education, and it creates awareness amongst people, and people can also earn money from these sites. Now come to the disadvantage. According to me, the most dangerous disadvantage of social media is hacking. Because in this, hacker hacks our personal data and share our internet, which can cause financial loss and loss to personal life. Excess use of social media is also harmful for our health. Social media, I'm not saying that the using of social media is crime for us. I'm only say that we can use social media at limit time. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice. And next, I would like to invite Ayushi Chauhan. Ayushi Chauhan, you are going to tell us about social media and how you can say that this is the craze of craze among youth.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all of you. I am Ayushi Chauhan from class 10th A. Today I am here to express my views on the topic, the craze of social media among youths. So, social media is one of the most popular medium of interaction between groups or individuals in the present time. It has gained worldwide popularity, which has led to attracting attention from a variety of researchers globally. I think that it has many advantages that we can share our views on the internet and virtual communities. Interactive social networking sites such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram have made social media a vital aspect of life. Social networking sites are transforming the manner in which young pupils are interacting to their parents, peers, as well as how they are making use of technology. It can be very clearly observed that social media is becoming increasingly a part of pupils' life. Social networking sites assist pupils to become more socially capable and expand their circle and competent as well. Social networking sites has clearly both aspects, positive and negative impacts on the lives of youth, but it is the decision of an individual to take right decision in their life.
Ready for questions.
Do you think that young minds will be able to differentiate between positive and negative impacts of social media in their lives? My answer will be no, because it is the responsibility of parents as well as teachers to at least inspiring students to take right decision and right direction in their life and take full advantage of these precious gifts. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay, Rasmi. Rasmi is also is going to tell us something about social media, its merits and demerits.
Yes, sir.
So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone, and my respected class teacher, Mr. RP sir. I am here to represent my views on social media before you. So, my name is Rashmi Singh from class 10th. So, firstly, we know that what is social media. Social media, that all my friends have tell you that what is social media. In this time, social media becomes a very biggest and huge platform where we can share our opinion, thoughts and views in the form of messages, texts and videos. And in this time, social media becomes a revolution which cannot become a thing, and we cannot define it easily. So, like if we have to survive in this world, we need oxygen. In this time, social media becomes exactly like this. So, everything present in the world have its pros and cons. Social media also have its pros and cons. So, it's have we all know that it's have its negative point more than its positive points. So, firstly, we talk about its positive points that we can do from social media. Many things like we can do e-commerce, e-banking, and e-shopping. Like we can buy or sell any products from social media from any part of the world, and we can conference and we do video calling in any part of the world. And every leader can give view of their own that what they are going to do for future for their local peoples. And
Good morning everyone. Good morning sir. My name is Kritagya Dwivedi and I study in class 10. Today I am here to present my views on the topic the craze of social media among youths. So I thankful to Mr. Rampujan Tiwari sir who gave me this sweetful opportunity. So let's talk about what is social media. Social media is all about sharing our views, information or ideas with our friends, relatives or anyone all around the world with the help of social networking sites. Like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, these are the examples of social media that we use daily. As we know that it has become our daily activity. We are using it daily. It has changed our life totally. We are using it daily. Minimum more than 1 or 2 hours we are using it, and it's bad for us. It has disadvantages and advantages also. And if we say about its addiction, everyone is addicted. I can take example of myself and you can take example of yourself. Everyone is using it. Even the senior students are using it, college students are using it. Even the junior students, I have seen many students are using Facebook, Instagram. They are also addicted. And there are some people in our society that they can't live without coming online a day. This is called the pro level of addiction. And advantages of social media are that we can use it for online study. As we know that due to coronavirus, all schools were closed, all colleges were closed. And social media helps us a lot in the online study. Teachers were providing notes through WhatsApp groups.